Hello, hello! I'm Oriana from Las Ganas de Pintar, and today I'm embracing the Christmas in July spirit with an easy and fun project using just a pack of ephemeras of the classic Christmas collection from Stamperia and some tags. I don't know if you hear the news, but Stamperia went a little crazy this year with 3 new Christmas collections and a comeback of Pink Christmas and Classic Christmas. This is the one we're using right now. And maybe, just maybe, you are trying to decide what to buy. I know we want it all. But here, I'll show you how to take these wonderful ephemera packs to do more than one project. To break the white of the tag, I'm applying Allegro paint in shadow and white. I'm using a soft, flat brush very carefully. I do want the strokes to be visible, so I don't put much attention on blending, but I try to paint in the same direction. You can go as dark or as light as you want. Since I want a winter feeling, I turned to the light side, but it makes no difference. If you don't like the gray, of course you can turn into more warm colors as brown and ivory, or instead of white, add a light blue to the gray. I live to frame my projects, and usually I use ink, but this time I will ponce a little bit of white acrylic on the edges to give it the idea of snow. I already took out the small pieces and I'm choosing one big image as a focal point to each of my tags to layer pile on the details. Let's start with the lantern. I apologize in advance because I was struggling with the shadows and I kept turning my lights on and off. As you can see, the lantern by itself is not very Christmassy, so I want to decorate it with more elements. I'm using 3D foam tape to give some depth, and before gluing it down, I make sure that the ribbon hole is not blocked. Then I start adding the birdies and the flower elements. And now, the door. And of course, after Maddie's door video, I cannot think of plain doors anymore. So I decided to make it interactive and hide a present inside. I'm linking the video in the description box so you can see step by step how Maddie did it. Inking the elements is very important to me because that is what I give depth to my project. And I take special care in the bottom because this is where the present will be sit. Then I am sure that the insides of the door fits the tag, and I am gluing them first before the door so I can be sure that when I open and close it fits. And now I'm gluing the door so the hinge won't be seen. For my third tag, I'm using the sock full of gifts. This one is pretty much done and I don't think it needs much layering. So I'm just using the foam tape for depth, and I will include some tiny elements here and there. To emphasize the winter feeling, I'm adding a few touches of the Snow Arctic paste from Stamperia. This glittery paste will dry beautifully as the most perfect clear glitter snow. Of course, no project is complete without some splatters, this time in light blue and white. Let's add a little bit more snow. And ta-da! 3 beautiful tags using just half pack of ephemeras.